Using the telescope and mirror, I could send light signals to the town. I could try sending light messages using the mirror. Bingo! Someone is trying to send a message. Just as I thought. Now I should return to the hotel and talk to Otto. Otto, can I have a word with you?
Of course. Did you find anything interesting?
I think so, yes.
What is it?
I just need to check one more thing, and then I will be ready to name the murderer. I just need to examine Claudia's and Dr. Hartman's rooms. And a postcard. Munich. That is what I thought. And I need to check Dr. Hartman's room one more time.